Yo, what's up? What's that? What up?
It's a story that we beckon. It's a story and it ain't gonna end.
Yo.
Until now.
What's up, dude? All right, real quick, just before the rally with the family. We are currently at intraday resistance. If you guys watched the previous video, yesterday I was live talking about the current setup. I talked about the possibility of going up before earnings. I do see this being that one catalyst that plays out to the upside. There is the macro POI here, early August, late July. So you're starting to see that volume picking up here. BBBY is up 12% for the day, and it's still going. It also has a point of interest. Remember these stocks that track together in the same sector, these meme stocks. We have Bed Bath & Beyond, we have BlackBerry, GameStop, Sundial, AMC. All these guys are going to be in the same cycle. So we're starting to see that volume picking up here. And as long as we cross resistance here, a full cross, okay, not a double top and then short. So if we get a full cross here, it's likely we see $16 here in the next couple of hours. So it might be a good power hour to track. Okay, everything is looking pretty good. Market is strong. Reversing for good. Yeah, we're here to rally with the family, bro. Rally with the family. Let's get it. All right, all right. Simon, what's up, man? What is up, Simon? Anomaly, Mac and Bees, Tickles. Let's get it. Sorry, guys, my voice is very dry right now. I will do my best. All right. All right, let's bring in the brother and the sister. Yo, yo, yo. Bed Bath & Beyond. What is good? GME. Look at that. That split makes it look so nice now. Don't have to like go into the hundreds, baby. That squad. Squad up. All right, Amy's curling back up. All right, volume's picking up. Looking very nice. Again, a cross here at resistance, and I do see us continuing this rally. It's starting, man, on a Monday. Right away. No bullshit. You know what? Let's do this. Let's make these guys line graphs. And let's make Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's make it pink. And let's make GME red. Actually, no. Let's make it green. Bro. There we go. All right, Amy. We're not gonna fuck with Amy much. Should I just merge him? Yeah, I'll merge him. Fuck it. No, dude. Never mind. I can't merge him. Jimmy, okay. There we go. Look at that. Alright, let's do something real quick. I want to turn the music down for a second. Okay, so let's pull up this. Alright, so what's happening right now is there's a lot of different stocks, and I've been paying attention to this a lot here, just because we have come to a point in the market where all of these stocks, all these smaller cap stocks, are separating from the tracking. Okay, the similarity in tracking here with the SPY, the downtrend, we're breaking out of this with this market rebound that's happening. So you're gonna see a bunch of stocks trade against each other in the short term. We saw Mara last week, and then the week prior already have sort of its turn. It's going to be taking a breather here soon. And then you're going to have all these other stocks go up. Okay, so right now we have, obviously, AMC, GME, they have their POIs. So we know that these guys are next on the list. And there's a couple of other ones that are on that list. So earlier this morning, I did send out alerts on Clover. We had contracts for 3 cents. that doubled, went all the way to 7 cents. And there's still a POI on Clover, so Clover is expected to continue its rally here. I'm going to pull it up for you guys so you can kind of see what we do here with that. And this was the break on resistance. Clover is one of those stocks that is overly shorted as well. It's over leveraged with these same hedge funds that are shorting AMC and GameStop. So this is expected to break out here, potentially going up to the 380 level is what we're tracking here on that Discord. If you want more info on that, make sure you click the website below. Pretty cool stuff. And right now we are tracking a bunch of other stocks that are trading against AMC and GameStop, and they are basically went first last week and the week prior, and now we're starting to get all of these stocks going up this week. So very excited for that. AMC is looking really good and primed up to continue this rally here in the short term. All right, and let's go ahead and look at the macro here real quick. Take away these two for a sec. Actually, nah, you guys are going, bro. We already looked at you. All right, you guys are going. Okay, so what I'm hoping for here, as far as the Ethereum Classic goes as well, we did pull up the chart earlier on the Discord, and we talked about the current tracking. So I'm gonna pull up that. I believe it's this one. Yep. So this is the current tracking that I have right now for Ethereum Classic. So based on the liquidity transfer, if you guys were here on the live stream yesterday, I talked about the days that they were tracking apart, and right now it seems to be about 6 to 8 days. It could be more depending on when we actually start to rally here. Previously, before the March 29th setup, we did have about a two-day tracking behind AMC, and right now we do have that cycle separation that I talked about. So naturally, you are going to see that extended over a long period amount of time. But right now, I think we are tracking 5 days behind. And if we start, if we start climbing up today, that'll kind of confirm the current tracking. And if all plays out according to plan, and we have a similar setup to what Ethereum Classic just did, right? The past couple of days, actually from the bottom, Ethereum Classic went up 250%. So a similar scenario for AMC, if it were to have that like full potential blast here, then we would see the $35 range around there, 34, which happens to be what? Resistance, okay? So very bullish on that, and that's if we track exactly the same setup from the bottom. Now, something to consider is since these like both worlds merged back here at this range, so this is where they came back to similar ratio levels, similar percentage returns on the 120-day cycle. I did mention to kind of ignore this part here, since there's a very, very large gap. So this to me is not part of the same sequence, okay? So what we are tracking is this right here. This is what's important to track, because this is what's probably going to be used as that liquidity for this next run. And right now we are tracking about 5 days apart. You see that 5 days right there. Okay, and it's about to be 6. But you're starting to see these candles and this bar pattern here behave very similarly to what Ethereum Classic did. So this, by the way, guys, is a fractal, because crypto trades 24/7, so it's different than stocks, obviously. And this entire setup right here is this right here, a smaller portion you can see from Ethereum Classic. So you don't just take the the same pattern on this time frame. You do have to make it into a fractal, so stretch it out. And AMC is going up, baby. What do you know? There we go. Right there. So this would indicate upside here today if we keep tracking this pattern. It would indicate possibly seeing the $16 level if we start climbing up right now. So let's see. Let's see if we get it, bro. Let's see if we get it. And I think we're starting to kind of get it because we're going up, man. Yep, we are going up, and we just crossed resistance, so volume is picking up. It's very likely that we're going to continue this rally here. So let's rally, bro. Let's rally with the family. All right, 1529, man. 1529 right here, and we're pushing. All right, let's get intimate. Let's get intimate, bro. $28, okay. Amy, come on, push through. Let's go after our rally. Probably, honestly. If we continue this, this starts to spike up here. We're probably going to keep going up. Rally with the family, baby. Love it, love it. This song's pretty hardcore, man. Pretty hardcore, bro. All right, all right, all right. Amy, what are we doing here? We need that push. All right, we got elephants in the chat. We need some licking action, bro. Ton licking action up in this. Let's pull it up. Let's pull up the magnet. Let's pull up Disco Man, and let's pull up candle licking. Candle licking, bro. All right, where are we at? Where are we at with this? Here we go. Candle licks. Let's go. Disco Man. Oh wait, dude, we got. Where's that new Disco Man at? Right, let's see. There you go. Get it. Get it. Oh yeah. Alright guys. Option contracts are going up right now. Volatility is going up, which is really good. We want volatility to go up because that naturally will drive the price up. You get that gamma ramp. That's what we're looking for here for the algorithm to break. Break the algorithm. Break it. Oh. All right, 220. Amy taking a little breather here. We have not confirmed this breakout yet. Remember, it has to be a very quick breakout. We're still just hovering right at resistance, so as long as we get big candles here incoming in the next couple of minutes, we should have this rally continue into after hours. All right, let's see. Amy. It's crazy because you can see how the algorithm is controlling the price action here because it's very, the volume is dry. Surprisingly, it's very dry. And remember, they will not open the gates. Okay, they open the gates as soon as a projector is climbing back up. It decides if the algorithm is going to be a positive point of interest or an inverse point of interest. That is when the volume is released. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about here. I'm going to go on the 2-hour chart, and I'm going to show you exactly where the projector is. The projector is currently right here. Okay, that's the projector. And the algorithm decides what the fuck it wants to do right here. Okay. I'm going to show you the previous projector, how it's smaller, and how we turn this thing into a fractal, right? So obviously it's a bigger projector, so it's going to be a lot larger. Okay. And to track here, what's important is the support levels. Okay, so you guys can tell right here, this is the moving average, right? So there's going to be a couple of wicks that are just hanging under. And you can see that right over here, we kind of did the same thing. We hovered right over the support level. We didn't quite get there before we had that run. So it's the same thing here. The point of interest actually lies on the projector pattern, and then the rest is just a lingering effect. So it's a ripple effect that you get. It's the same thing here. Once you get the POI and you get massive volume like this, it's going to be a lot larger. This would be considered like a very small projector back down here. So you guys see this giant cup here, and then a continuation to meet with this macro resistance would be right here. It would come all the way up here, meet resistance, and then that POI plays out right here. Okay, and then to look for the next, like the actual run, this is where we, if we get a rejection on this level, the resistance level, then it's possible that we're going to have a macro projector pattern play out here. So this would have been a small projector taking us up to resistance, creating a bigger projector, and then this is the one that would kick things off, right? And we have the end of September POI, so that would be a way in which we could track that the actual run up, the actual squeeze, if things were to linger on for a little bit more. But if there is a trigger here and you get a bunch of over leveraged shorts taking each other down as you're climbing back up, then this won't matter anymore. And that's where we talked about the break in the cycle, which is what we're looking for. We're looking for the break of the cycle. The same thing that happened with GameStop before it ran to 500. You saw the charts do this at the top, right? It was just a lot of volatility. That's how you break a cycle, and that's exactly what we're looking for here. If we get that on this point of interest and we break the cycle, then we're going to get the same thing. We're going to get the same effect. At that point, I'm not going to be able to tell you where the price is going to go because the algorithm is going to be broken. So at that point, it's just, we just wait, man. We wait until there are certain levels. There's certain, volume. Volume is actually going to be the most important thing to track when we start going up to those levels. But yeah, things are looking really good, man, right now. Really good. All right, let me curl back up. Come on, big candles. A lot of volume picking up here. Let's see, how's Bed Bath & Beyond? Bed Bath & Beyond is curling back up too. Also, the charts, and this is very good for AMC and GameStop too, and Bed Bath & Beyond, obviously. Bed Bath & Beyond does have the volatility chart on Bed Bath & Beyond looks insane. I saw the same exact chart play out for, trying to think what stock we were looking at here, where implied volatility is one of the most important things when doing cycle analysis. So it's one of the things I look at for every single stock before I make POIs and I send them out. So it's very, very important to track. And right now, Bed Bath & Beyond does have a very crazy chart. I was just looking at it here a couple of hours ago, and the implied volatility looks primed for this breakout. And you're starting to see a bunch of options go positive. Again, this is what causes this sort of gamma effect, and will set AMC and GameStop to go up as well. Now, the percentage is going to be different for every single stock, so you're going to see, if Bed Bath & Beyond has a higher percentage level, it has been shorted to, very low levels. It went from $30 to $4 in almost like 4 months. So there's a lot of shorts on Bed Bath & Beyond right now. So the effect on the upside here is probably going to be a little bit more drastic if the POI is a little bit more active for Bed Bath & Beyond. Now, on the macro of things, I don't believe Bed Bath & Beyond is going to have a higher squeeze at all. I think the longer term POI on the macro scale is going to be greater for AMC. I do believe that. So we're talking short-term POI here, so you guys are aware. All right, let's see how Bed Bath & Beyond is looking here. Really good. They're all looking amazing, bro. Ready to break out. All right, Amy curling back up. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's get it. All right, 1524. Yo. Make sure you guys are liking the stream and shit. And you know, share it up. You enjoy the stream. All right, here we go. Bed Bath & Beyond is curling back up. It's looking really good. Might get a full push through here at 563, and then AMC is doing the same. You need 1530 was resistance, or is resistance now. Alright, yeah, fuck it. Let's pull Bed Bath & Beyond up, alright? Jimmy is just kind of resting up, waiting for this to actually play out. It's consolidating the most out of all these. Alright, come on, Amy, come on. And this always happens with the market, okay? You get the SPY. I've seen this trend happen over and over again. The SPY goes up, it consolidates, and then you get the small and mid cap stocks going up. Okay, so blue chip goes first, then you get, you know, AMC. This whole entire sector is starting to go back up right now. Yeah, volume's going to stay low until they open the gates, for sure. There it is, 1530, about to break here. Get Bed Bath & Beyond, getting it, 1531. All right, keep going, come on, baby. Oh, it's Trevor. It's Trevor Stone. Yeah, thanks, man, for putting it on the Discord. So the Discord, he's talking about the 1348 EMA is about to cross on BBBY. So that's really, really good. Let's pull that up. 1348, baby. You guys already know how powerful this is. Or maybe it's not the 1348. Which one is it, man? Oh. Whoopsie. Wrong stock. But hey, I mean, by accident, though, we are about to cross the 1348 on Bed Bath & Beyond. We're about to cross it. So that's I mean by accident though. This is actually really interesting. It was a 4 hour. The daily is still far off, but once it does cross a daily, I mean we're gonna be in bullish territory at this point. All right, AMC just hit 1535 and it's going 1537. All right. All right, guys, you know what that means. Rally round the family, baby. Rally round the family. 1536. Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah, we gotta get some elephants. What are we doing? What are we doing? Where are the elephants at? Oh shit. Oh shit. 80's going up. You know about that, baby. 1537. 1538. Alright, let's see. What we got? Resistance. Oh, we don't have resistance till fucking all the way up here, dude. Alright, 1570 is resistance. And then there's no limits. Why is there no limits? I'll tell you why. Because AMC doesn't like handles. So, when she gets a cup, she just goes. No fucking handle, baby. Oh, baby. Look, this little effect. What am I talking about, guys? Like, obviously, we're on the minute chart here, so this is a stretch. But look, cup without a handle, baby. Right here. Let's see if we can find another one. A cup without a handle. I guess you can say this is maybe a cup with a handle, but it's rare. It's rare. It really is. And we're looking at the macro here. We're not looking at the micro, so. Yeah, for real. Can't handle this, dude. Alright, dude. Spam the chat, bro. Spam the fucking chat. Some rockets. Some elephants. Elephants. Alright, dude. Here we go. We got 20 minutes left. Intraday. And Amy's still going. She's not stopping, dude. She ain't stopping. There you go. There you go. Spam that shit. Spam the fuck out of that shit right now. Alright, 1539. We're about to cross 1540. We need 1570. Oh, dude, here we go. Here we fucking go. Alright, alright, alright. There it is, there it is. Break. Look at that volume coming in right here. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, dude, Bed Bath & Beyond, man. 570. Oh, shit. Here we go. There it is. GameStop on its way. GameStop is on its way. Oh, dude, Bed Bath & Beyond. Holy shit, man. Look at these candles, baby. By the way, I did send out alerts on Bed Bath & Beyond, so Bed Bath & Beyond at it again. Look at that shit. There it is, guys. There it is. 6% up for the day and not stopping. We might have an after, yeah, we definitely might have an after-hour rally here. It's picking up really nicely here. Continuation. I would love to see 16 before the market closes. Love got a neighbor going ham in the chat. Going ham in the chat. Get it, baby. Get it. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. Alright, this is throwback, man. Throwback. Alright. Bed Bath & Beyond picking up again. AMC just right behind. 13% up for the day. Bed Bath & Beyond, 13%, dude. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. It's a theme song. We actually, well, Elephant is a good theme song, but yeah, I'm down for Rasputin, baby. Here we go. Zach, when complete liquidity transfer? We don't know yet, but it does seem like we're tracking about 6 days behind Ethereum Classic. So remember, the cycle separation is occurring right now. It's happening right now. So it does take a little bit longer for that. Go watch the live video that I just posted. It talks everything about that. But right now, man, we are, holy shit, we are setting up to rip. We are gonna go up. Go 573. Man, Bed Bath & Beyond just seems like that stock, like it's about to like pull some shit like this, dude, I swear. I don't mean that, by the way. I'm just, if it does start to rally, it's very possible that we get some kind of a volatility event like this, because it has been shorted the most, suppressed, or at least suppressed the most from this price action. It's been like downtrend, like no breather whatsoever.
Barbara Streisand.
Oh shit. Here we go.
So many different faces, and among them I saw this man.
Oh man, dude, that volume is looking so good for a Monday.
And dark,
Oh, trigger.
and I felt a sting of pain running down my spine. I walked past several seats and stopped just next to the strange man.
Alright, let's take a look at that pattern again. Let's take a look at the pattern. Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC, tracking closely together. Alright, here we go. Oh shit, okay. Alright, so this is the Ethereum classic pattern that we've been tracking here from the bottom. So if things do go up the same way and they start tracking identical here, as long as the range is tracking, okay, we would get all the way up to that $28 level as a level of resistance if things do continue to track here.
And I knew this was a mistake, but I couldn't stop. I couldn't stop myself from walking away.
Okay, here we go. 1543. Telling you, man, this thing is setting up. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Here we go, here we go. All right, Amy, look at that. Look at that. 10 minutes left, and we're already 6.42% up for the day. Massive, massive candle just came in. Love it, love it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, dude. Yo. Talk about short squeezes, man. Look at that. We got HKD just got halted. I'm telling you, man, squeeze season. Squeeze season is here. For that, for sure, we were spot on with that because July was supposed to be the biggest, like, basically the start of this green. Finally, after this massive short on the market. So you're gonna see a bunch of stock squeeze, man. Look at this thing. HKD is up. Just went from 480 all the way up to 767. Wow. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm very fucking excited for the next couple of days. You're gonna see a bunch of fucking stocks just go up, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, very soon, man. Once you start to see stocks squeeze, like that week, you're gonna see the over-leveraged stocks really show fucking off, man. Amy's about to show off. Wow. Holy shit. Oh, man. This is, yeah, dude, this is very reminiscent of, well, for at least for Bed Bath & Beyond, very reminiscent of the run it had in October. And same with Amy, actually. We're tracking very closely to that cycle. The 62-day cycle shows that. So it would not surprise me at all that this is where we get a massive trigger here in the markets. That's what we want, man. We want a break in the algorithm. The fact that we're getting all these other stocks just squeezing right now is really good for these guys. Uh-oh, we got some bots in here. We had this happen last time. I'm telling you, man. Trying to distract you guys from Amy. From the real. Oh, shit! Amy just hit. Okay, good shit. Let's go. Come on. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna stay here after hours for a little bit. Also, the reason for HKD, why it's up the way it is, to consider it doesn't have an option chain, okay? When you don't have an option chain, it's very easy to take a stock from like $2 all the way up to like $500 if you really wanted to. I mean, it's happened before. You guys remember DWalk? Same thing, before it started, man. No option chain. Oh my god, bro. This is setting up to rip. Yeah, I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna be here, dude. For sure. Yo, we got 385. We need more likes, man. Slap the shit out of that like button. We're about to rally with the family after hours. Rally with the family. Wow. Alright, let me look at the volatility real quick. Oh, Amy. I love the volatility right now. This is looking so good, man. Fuck. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're gonna open the gates, man. They have to. I mean, if you want a tracker, bro. If you guys want to track AMC, click on that link right there. It's an interactive chart. Interactive chart, it'll let you track the point of interest that we're tracking on AMC. So, check it out. Track it. Track that shit. Alright. Man, Bed Bath & Beyond is up 15%. This is Compass Point by Holy Ghost. I like that disco, man. Oh, yeah. Wow. All right, let's see what goes down after hours, man. Here, let's go on Bed Bath & Beyond for, well, no, let's go on Amy, and then let's pull up Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's pull up Bed Bath & Beyond, and let's do this, man. Let's pull up two charts. Oh, look at that. After hours already going up. Oh, nope, just got a red candle there. It's all good, though. A lot of volume kicking in, but what's up with this candle, bro? There we go, that's what I'm talking about. Go back. It's a setup? Is it a setup? Probably is. Is that a setup? It's a setup, dude. setup trap for the hedge funds, not for us. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys something. For that though, we need some chill music for that though. Okay, so just real quick, and I'm still gonna look at after hours here because everything is just crazy right now. Everything, like the whole market is just crazy. So a lot of volume is picking up here after hours, by the way. All right. Damn, that's funky, bro. Okay, so going into the next couple of days, if I pull up that pattern again, guys, this is, well, not this one because that's an actual fractal. This is the Ethereum Classic tracking. Where is it? Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, it's this one right here. What am I talking about? It's the minute chart, though. We got to go on the 5. You can kind of see it. You guys see this? We started tracking this earlier today on the Discord, and right now it's tracking the same way. I do believe we are tracking about 6 days behind Ethereum Classic right now. So if the liquidity transfer does happen here with AMC, we should start to see an increase in price here after hours, if not going into tomorrow, because remember, after hours sometimes is not used for that reason. So you do see a massive gap until early in the morning. So what might happen is, if there is dry volume here after hours, we might get nothing right here, and then going into tomorrow, we would get the rest, right? So something like that. This is very likely in the next couple of days. Increasing volatility for earnings. And then this is where it gets interesting, because I still believe that if we have this transfer happen, okay, and things are tracking according to the volume setup and the percentage return setup too, we would hit the range of 28 for resistance, possibly a clock over to 32. So that's a range that I'm tracking here for AMC. Now, a lot of people are going to think that this might be some kind of like an option trap thing or something like that, but I think that this is like that one time where the catalyst actually plays out in retail's favor. And I think since we've been beat down for quite a while, again, it is a stretch, but I'm leaning towards that play here just because of the point of interest that we're tracking. It's not that it can't happen or anything, like it definitely can, but if they trap bears here, okay, and we get a massive rally, just remember this, we just tested resistance here, and we're about to test it one more time. If this is a break here, it's very likely that with the Ethereum Classic setup, 120-day setup cycle that we have here, the 62-day cycle, a bunch of everything is lining up here to play out this way. So a break here is likely that we will see this $28 level here in the next couple of days. Might even get it before earnings. And then when earnings hits, depending on where we are, if we're above this range, then okay, I would say it's possible we come down and breathe a little bit. But if we're trading still below this range, then there might be a very bullish catalyst that comes out that would bring the price up to that range. So we haven't had that happen here with AMC, and I think that this is that, again, the 1 out of 10 that actually plays out in our favor, because 9 out of 10, it does not. Catalysts do not play out in our favor. So I'm hoping that this is what we get this week based on the cycle and the point of interest that we're tracking. We'll see. Alrighty. All right, so here's the deal. If we start just like, if you start to see the price go up after hours, we're up, 10, 20%, you're going to see me back on stream. Otherwise, this is the tracking here for Ethereum Classic. And if you guys want to track these levels, just click the website below here. I'm going to post it again, and you can track everything. You can track the point of interest that we're tracking for AMC. If you want more information on the other stocks, then you do have to head over to the interactive charts section, and that is a membership you can get. And we do track a bunch of other stocks and their POIs. This morning we got Clover, we had Bed Bath & Beyond in there on the options alert system. So both of those right now are up over 100% in return. So I do that a lot. The majority of the portfolio is based on option alerts based on the cycle, points of interest. So check that out if you are interested. Alrighty guys, I will see you soon. Love you, bye.